dream does not become reality through magic. It takes sweat, determination, and hard work. Hard work is one of the important things in one's life. Without doing any hard work, we will not be able to achieve our dreams. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. With this beautiful thought, I, Shruti Vichin, class representative of Grade 2, welcome you all to the virtual class assembly of Grade 2 and appreciate the hard work of our students.
The art of being happy is to be satisfied with what you have. On this beautiful thought, I, Arundhati Mukherjee, class teacher of Grade 2F, presenting our class assembly. Our students have put tremendous efforts. Please appreciate.
Happiness is something which you can't describe with words. It can only be felt from someone's expression of a smile. Likewise, happiness is a signal or identification of a good and prosperous life. Happiness is very simple to feel and difficult to describe. Moreover, happiness comes from within and no one can steal your happiness. Today, I, Naira Soni of grade 2F is going to present in a class assembly on the topic Real happiness lies in satisfaction. Let's start our day with Gayatri Mantra.
Om Bhurvassuva Tasya Vidurvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhurvassuva Tasya Vidurvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya. Om Bhurvassuva Tasya Vidurvareniyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimai Dhiyo Yona Prachodaya.
Thought of the day. Happiness is not the absence of problem, it's the ability to deal with them. I repeat, happiness is not the absence of problem, it's the ability to deal with them. Wow, what a great thought! Now let's see what our friend wants to tell us about true happiness.
Today I am presenting a poem, True Happiness by White Rose. Happiness lies not in wearing latest trends, nor it is in being popular and having many friends. It cannot be purchased at a store, doesn't come gift wrapped with a bow. It's not in all the certificates nailed on the wall for show. You cannot attach a value to it, it's priceless beyond compare. Yet everyone can afford it and it won't diminish if you care. So what is this treasure that sets it apart from all the rest? True happiness is in the faith which resides inside your chest.
True happiness means self-satisfaction. If you are satisfied with what you are doing, you feel truly happy. Be it a small act of kindness or anything. A little girl finds happiness in her drawings, which may not be the best. Mothers get happiness in preparing good dishes for her children. You can find your own too. Happiness is a state of mind, hence it is within. The same situation often brings happiness to someone, sadness to another. You can create happiness in any situation in your life, provided you decide to
it within and stop searching it outside. Now let's listen to a beautiful story. I will narrate a story named To Satisfaction. One there lived a happy cobbler who passed his days in working and singing from morning till night. A rich neighbor of his was a banker who one day said to him, "How much you earn in a year?" The cobbler laughed and said, "How much a year, sir? I never looked at that way. I live as hand to mouth. Each day somehow bring its meal and I am happy." The banker said, "I have decided to place you above the fear of want. Take these £1,000 and preserve them carefully. Use them in time of need." The cobbler, who had never seen so much money at a time in his life before, hurried home and buried his treasure in the earth. But alas, he buried his happiness with it too, because at night he could not enjoy a sound sleep. He would remain alert the whole night. He would think of the money. Thus, he lost his sleep and happiness. One day he went to the banker and told him that his money has snatched away his sleep. So he told the banker to take his money back. So finally the cobbler returned the money to the banker. Again he was able to enjoy a sound sleep and mental peace and happiness. Thus it was proved that true happiness lies in contentment. Happiness is one of the most important aspects of life. It has great importance in our life. It isn't something for which one should have to wait for the future. It is always present in everything around us, in every moment and every memory. There are many aspects of happiness. Most of the people feel happy when they are with their friends, family and any person in their life with whom they feel happy and contented. While some people feel happy when they used to do such work by which they feel happy and satisfied. Important research done on happiness claims that when we are happy, we do our work with full attention, concentration, and with an open mind. Similarly, most people pursue their happiness by exploring themselves and their dreams. When we explore such things about us which we don't know, and these things give us real happiness and make us feel proud about our hidden talent. We used to say that yes, I can do this, I can do that, and that feeling is really awesome. In today's life, people also busy, they even don't know what they are doing, they are just running like a machine. They walk up, do their work and then sleep. Day by day we are moving happiness, fun, joy from our life. Most of the people around us are dependent on others for their happiness. They keep expectations from others as well as they do struggle for their happiness. They set their goals for their happiness, and when they don't get their things they want, they feel sad and depressed from their life. If we want to feel true happiness, we should stay in the moment and completely feel what we are doing. When we start to understand who we are, what we can do, everything will
be changed, and then we don't want to anything to be happy. We are happy at the moment whether we are doing something or doing nothing. If you are sad, remember the moments which gives you happiness, because happiness matters a lot. It gives us strength to fight for ourselves. It gives us special power to do whatever we want to do. So be happy, enjoy your life fully.
Satisfaction is equal to happiness. If you never get satisfaction from what you have or what you got, you have no chance for being happy. To conclude, I can say that happiness can only be achieved by having positive thinking. Be satisfied by whatever we have.